Unboxing of Redmi Note 8. Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good today. Okay, so in this tutorial, in this video, I am going to show you unboxing of my Redmi Note 8. In this tutorial, we are going to show you it how this mobile looks, its interface, the price of this cell phone and its specifications. Okay, so guys, if you have a budget of around $200, $250, or in Pakistani rupees, if you guys have got a budget of rupees 30,000, then this is a perfect cell phone for you. Okay, so first let's check out its specifications. It has got 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. The color is Neptune blue, which I think would look perfect. Okay, so let's see its first look. I am very excited to check out its first looks, and here it is. Okay, let's check out what we have under this. We might have some guide. Yes, it's a guide which we guys used to ignore it, and we have never read it. We ignored it like terms and conditions which we see while installation of softwares. So yes, ignore it again. One should read this, but I don't. Okay, so then we have a beautiful cover which we will use it if we in the future if you want it. Okay, so here is the cell phone, its back. So again, you can check out the specifications. It has got 48 megapixel AI quad camera. It's not a simple camera, guys. It has got some AI functionalities, and then uh, we have 6.3 inches screen and other details are mentioned. Okay, so let's have its first look. Okay, so guys, here it is. You can see. Okay, so let me off the flash first. Okay, so guys, I have turned off my flashlight so you can check out its beauty. Okay, so you can see, man, it looks great. Can you check the color? It's wonderful, man. And then we have got beautiful cameras. Okay, so here is the Redmi tag, which shows it is manufactured by an actual company and not by any third party. Okay, so then again we have some specifications mentioned, and in the box we have original charger and then original cable. Okay, so let's start and see how it looks. So here it is. Let me remove this seal. Okay, so here I am removing the seal so I can use it and install all my remaining accounts. Okay, so here it is, guys. You can see how it looks. Okay, let me install all the accounts. I will connect it with my Gmail account, and then I will show you the remaining specifications and the remaining functions. Alright, so everything has been set up, and these were the just basic settings. Sorry, these were all just the basic settings, like installing of a Google account and activating the Wi-Fi settings, etc. Inserting this SIM card. Okay, so let me show you its basic functions. Okay, so the speed is very great. You can see the interface. Then we have so many functions here. Okay, so let's check out its camera result. Okay, allow. Okay, and here it is. You can see the result. It's fantastic, man. The keys are very well visible. So it has got some perfect cameraman. You can see its result. If you can compare the current cell phone camera which I am using, uh, it's Samsung Galaxy Note 5, and you can check out this one, the Redmi Note 8 result. So it's fantastic. And then we have some other great functions as well. We have then Google accounts, and we have tools, screen recorder as well. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I am going to explore more functions as well. Okay, so guys, hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video. Thank you guys, take care.